Hey guys, so I learned some really cool information today. I had no idea about this, so I figured I'd share it with you guys and hopefully it'll help somebody out there. Again, I just learned about this. I think it's awesome and I jumped on it as soon as I found out about it. So UPS actually offers thermal printers for free if you have an account with them. Now, you will have to lease it for $3 a month, but according to a website that I looked at, you could possibly get it for free if you speak with your account manager about this. I did see that if you are constantly shipping with them, they will offer it to you for free. I chose the $3 option because I'm just starting my business, so I don't ship quite often, especially not with UPS. But yeah, so I'll just kind of go through the steps on what you need to do in order to get this printer. And yeah, I hope this helps you, and I'm super excited about this. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is to log on to, first and foremost, you need to log on to ups.com. Now, once you're in ups.com, you need to create a user ID. Me personally, I already have a user ID. I like to know when my shipments are coming in, so I have already created one. I love their website because, for instance, I order a lot of stuff overseas, so a lot of my stuff comes from UPS. So with UPS, they will actually email you and show you live deliveries on your shipments and tell you what day things are going to ship out, or what days things are going to deliver. So again, so you have to create a user ID. If you already have one, great. Now, once you have a user ID, what you will need to do is call their toll-free number. I have a notepad down here, and that's why I keep looking down, just so you know that I'm not just like in La La Land or something. But yeah, so again, you will have to call their 800 number. I'll give it to you in a second after I finish with all the steps. So yes, call that number. It'll prompt you some options. Choose 0 and it will transfer you over to a customer service representative. So from there, you will ask to speak to an account manager. So when I called, I asked to speak with an account manager, and they were just willing to help me right then and there. But he started asking me for a account number, which I didn't have because I had never shipped with UPS before. My account that I had created was only for delivery purposes, no shipping. So I didn't have that, so he needed to transfer me over to another person who I assume was the account manager. So what the account manager did is she looked up my account by my user ID. They could also look it up through your email. So she looked up my account. She found with an account. I already had an account, but you need a account number associated with that account. So that means that you will be able to use their shipping rates at a discounted rate, which is awesome. I don't really ship with them, but maybe in the future with these discounted rates, I will be able to ship with them from here on out. So yeah, so they set me up with an account number, and then once I had the account number, she was able to order the thermal printer for me. So with the thermal printer, she had told me that it'll be $3 a month, and I will be leasing it. So every month it'll be $3. Now, for a thermal printer, that's awesome. Like, they cost over $100, like $100-something. I'm not trying to pay that. I will gladly rent this thermal printer for $3. And it's not, I mean, eventually, yeah, it'll add up. But hear me out. You get free shipping labels. They offer, with an account through them, they offer you all this shipping items for free. So they will give you free boxes. They will give you free shipping tags, free custom forms if you ship overseas, free labels, again, shipping labels, free pouches, and also, yeah, I think there's a couple more things, but I can't think, I didn't write it all down. So, I mean, you're paying $3 a month, but you're also getting all these things for free. Again, so I did see online that you could possibly get the thermal printer free, the whole thing waived. You just need to speak with the account manager. I didn't do that, again, because I don't ship very often. Again, I just started my business. So yeah, that's it. Literally, it was so easy. I called, she set me up with the account. She ordered my thermal printer, said it would be shipped out in 1 to 2 business days, and I would get it delivered within 5 to 7 days. I spent so much money. Well, I guess not so much money because I have a laser printer, but I spend money on shipping labels. You know, you're constantly buying paper, you're you know, the ink and whatnot have you. This is gonna save me so much time, so much money. I just think it's amazing. I hope this helps you. And yeah, so the number to call is, drumroll, 1-800-742-5877. And also you could just look this stuff up online and just Google free UPS thermal printer and some link should come up. This is how I found it. And I hope this helps. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I tend to ramble. I'm not very good at this stuff, but I had to share this information. All right, you guys, take care. I hope you have a wonderful day.